With the West Indies set to begin their tour against Afghanistan next week, reappointed head coach Phil Simmons is asking regional fans to temper their expectations for his 4-year tenure.
The first test for Phil Simmons and the West Indies comes up on November 6 against the Trinidadians' previous employers, Afghanistan. However, the 56-year-old who has returned to the fold after being fired in 2016 doesn't see himself as a miracle worker and has asked the regional fan base to have a bit more patience as he tries to propel the team to the top of the world.
In cricket and going from the bottom to the top, there's no miracles. So we have to be careful of what the expectation is, but at the same time, I want to make sure that we're doing things right. The way how we practice, the way how we feel, the way how we are at the gate. I think those are the things that I'm looking to make sure that starts happening now. And once we put those things in place and things are right there, you're going to see the team start to get better and be more consistent. So I think that's where I want to start.
During his time away, Simmons had enough time to identify a particular weakness that has cost the team matches in one-day internationals.
First on the checklist is fitness and fielding. I have said that in all my interviews for the job, because I looked at the World Cup and I think that in the World Cup, our fielding was not even close to some of the other teams. And I think for me that boils down to the fact that some of the guys are not fit enough, because after 10, 15 overs, 20 overs, the fielding falls away. We're sharp at the beginning, but we fall away. So I think that is one aspect that has to be dealt with.
Plotting the way forward has always caused a split of opinions. The subject of Chris Gayle's future in the team is one such matter, but Simmons has no intention of losing such a prized possession.
Misbah Haq played till 43.
He still play well at this level then.
Yeah, Misbah Haq, Eunice Khan, they all played until 42, 43. Chris wasn't available for this tour. We'll have to talk. We'll have to see what he thinks, what we think, where we're going and things. But it's all in a conversation.
The West Indies will play the first of 3 ODIs against Afghanistan on Thursday.